that. I just wanted to talk about a few things, see what's on everyone's mind, see what they're thinking. I'm uploading videos, doing some editing, so why not? Why not up or stream for a little bit? Because I don't think I'm going to be able to do something later. So it makes sense to be able to do something now. Let me just go into the live videos for a second, just to be able to check to see what's happening. If anybody's here. I don't think anybody's watching me. Maybe they are, maybe they aren't. Yeah, we do have people. We do have some people. There are people watching. Trying to find a thumbnail. Sorry, I'm trying to find a thumbnail. It's really going to be short. I'm not going to do a crazy long live stream right now. I'm editing, so I thought I might as well do a live stream. Final thumbnails. I don't have any thumbnails here. Sorry guys, give me a second. Even though this is going to be a short live stream, I'm over here making you wait. We got 33 people in here. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Matt on Saturday? Yeah, I'm editing, so I'm awake. I have a golf tournament today, so I'm gonna be out of it a little bit. I am posting videos on my MP Shorts channel though later today, and I'm trying to get a video up on this channel about AMC today. But we'll see how all that goes. So if the live stream starts to kind of lag a little bit, it's because I'm rendering a video right now. But it'll be done in the next like 3 minutes. So if it does start to skip around, I am sorry in advance. Pretty well. I'm really happy with how you guys grew it. Bro, it's too early. The market is closed. We can sleep now. Funny thing is, you say it's too early, but you're here. That's what's funny. I just want to get where everybody's head is, because I'm not going to be available later today. I might be somewhere. I think I got something in the works, something good in the works. YouTube short channel. Okay, here we go. It's 12 a.m. in Germany. Hopefully you stay up that late. I hit big play design. Never close for good moves. I knew if we never sleep. I don't. I was awake. I was awake pretty much all last night. I woke up. Well, I tried to go to sleep, but I don't know, tossing and turning. I don't know. It was just weird. I'm actually golfing today, so that's why I'm wearing the I don't know what to call it. Like, they're not spandex, but Under Armour. Should be 12 p.m. in Germany. Oh, I don't know. I haven't checked it, so that's possible. How did everybody's Friday go? I mean, it didn't really. Tiger Hood. Oh man. Is everybody buying more AMC? Yeah, I'm looking to buy more AMC. I have $10,000 clearing tomorrow. Let's take a look at this. So I'm gonna quickly switch to uploading a video real quick. actually uploading it. So with uploading this video, it might actually, hopefully it doesn't freeze anything. I got a lot of things going on at one time. Trying to multitask here. Multitasking is great, but it also doesn't exist. So hopefully it doesn't skip around. I'm uploading a video right now, so. What do I think about AMC hitting 1,000? I mean, it's possible, but it's very unlikely that it will hit 1,000. You know, let me change my screen here. Right side maybe, the left side. No, not that side. Let's switch this then. No, I don't like that. There you go. I like that a lot better. So what do I think of AMC hitting 1,000? I can't say that I think that it's going to hit 1,000. I mean, it's possible that it could hit 1,000, but it's highly unlikely. I think I shoot for something that's more reasonable, like I don't know, $50, $100. But you know my target. My target's around $20, to where I want to take some profits and be able to put, probably, if it does end up pulling back down, put a lot of money or all of the money that I gained and the initial investment into that position. Or just put all of the money that I gained, because typically I will double the amount that I gain there, or double the amount that I had. So investing 15,000, I'll gain 15,000. People would be ecstatic at 100, which is crazy because like it should be there. You know, the levels that we've seen, it should be right there. It should be at 100. It should be at 200. It should have been pushing those levels if we didn't have all this manipulation. But with the fact that GME already did, push the bar up, it showed the hedge funds, all right, this is what I need to do in order to at least make a little bit of money or limit the losses in that case. Let me bring this up where AMC stands. Let me actually bring up my account here. So what was crazy is, even though it was a down market, even though we had like everything that was down, I ended up being positive on the day. I ended up being $86 positive because of Rocket. Rocket ended up giving me $455 worth of a gain yesterday, versus everything else kind of going down a little bit. But Rocket actually made a move up. They still were down, but they made a move back up to closer to where they should be, and I lowered my cost average, so it made it a little bit better. I think I did that. Did I do it again? It copies the same title as I had. Did I misspell squeeze, or did I want to create some sort of spelling lesson here? Guess what? It's fixed now. Thank God I still have the rest. How high do I think costs will go? Looking at costs, I believe they can easily hit that $30 mark. It's something that's a swing trade. When I see them at their position, they can push high price, right? They've pushed high prices before, but let's look at exactly what happened in the last couple of days. You can see that they technically will only push at a high $35, but it's something that you can see them continue to test the heights here. So test 25, hopefully test 30. The highest point that it got to was $174. So it can really push if we actually had a squeeze here. And this went under the radar, really. You see how high it went. It went to $174. Like, it wasn't something that completely, you know, missed the mark in any case. Like, we seen that level off, it was falling off, and then we started to see them get back into it and short the position. And now they're sitting at a short borrow free rate of over 90%. So you could see that pushed up to $40 and did fall back down as they started to short it some more. So we're seeing basically the same thing we're seeing with AMC and GME. I think they could potentially get up to that $100 mark easily. But I would push for something that's a swing trade, maybe $30 or $40, possibly more than that. But what I'm going to do is I can buy a bunch of it and then see that push up to $30, take some profits, keep some in there just in case it does go to 100. I'm thinking 20 is realistic and 50 maybe, but 1,000 is too much. Yeah, I agree. I agree. 20 is definitely realistic. 20 or 30 is realistic. 50 is somewhere on the high end, and 100 is more on that really high end, the more optimistic end of things. And then 1,000 is just, if it happens, it's crazy. And I'll hold 200 shares just in case it does hit 1,000. But who knows if it will get to that point. If this will be something that completely bursts on their side or bursts on our side, We have 116 people in here, guys. Make sure you hit that like button. If you want to join the YouTube Shorts channel, make sure you go over there and hit that subscribe button. I think it's great stuff over there, obviously, because I create it. But it's 60 seconds, 60-second videos, and you get stock updates on every different type of stock. So if you want a suggestion, if you want to suggest something, just comment in one of the videos, one of the more recent videos. I'll see it, and then we can do a video on those. I try and do a lot of the ones that have the most popularity in them, where a lot of people are talking about them, to see what the interest is. Because yes, you could find great positions out there that nobody else knows about, but it won't get any views on YouTube. So it's kind of, you have to have a blend in between. I think most people would settle for 100 for AMC. Absolutely. If they see it. But the thing that a lot of people are going to say is, if it goes to 100, what stops it from going to 200 or 2,000? And that's where people end up getting greedy. But if it goes to 100, I would definitely accept it at 100. And then if I see it go back down, I would reinvest some of the profits in there and try and gain some more out of it. But I would accept 100 in both areas. I would accept 100 in Webull and in Fidelity. Take all of the profits, or not all of the profits, take some of the profits and put them back into AMC, just to check that out. What do you think about FuboTV? I actually haven't looked at this in a while. I think I just looked at it yesterday, and I want to do more of an update on it. Where is it at? Oh, is this popular? Should have it somewhere. Sometimes I can't see anything. Sometimes I'm too close. There we go. Okay, I haven't looked at this in a while. When I did my update on them a while back, that got like 7,000 views. I talked about how this could run without looking at some of the lower touch points, and that was somewhere up here. Wait, where was that at? Let's do it year to date. I hate looking at year to date, really. That was somewhere up here as it was starting to, it was falling down. And I didn't look at previous touch points to see where it could get to. And this was obviously breaking past that point, was something that was due to the down market and probably short positions as well. But seeing that at a low price, it does create a lot of opportunity to get in and ride that up to 50 or so. So they have a couple of touch points that you could look at, 30, 50, probably more as you start to look at a more, maybe a 100,000 foot view instead of a 1 million foot view. I don't know what I'm talking about there, but 500,000 foot view. But yeah, as you look at this, you got down to $20, bounced off of $20. We might see this at a low to where we could invest quite a bit of money into this and see that swing up to $30, $40, $50. So I was looking at this recently, and I haven't looked at it since I made that video, and it's something that I have on my list to go through. Fubo looks interesting, very interesting. But I have to do a little bit more research on it. It does look like something that can really push. I have to see what the short shares available are, what the short borrow fee rate is, how many short positions do they actually have. Like I want to know all of the details here before we jump into this, because I know this was a heavily shorted position as well, and seeing that jump from where it was up to $50 is huge, so we'll see how that goes. Why are we all this early on Saturday? I don't know. I mean, I'm here just creating content, and while I'm uploading a video, I thought I might as well go live and talk about some stuff. So it's always great to talk about this. Have I looked into Naked Brand at all? Yes, I'm uploading a video at 9 o'clock on Naked Brand on my MP Shorts channel, so make sure you go over there and subscribe to that. The link is in the chat if you guys are interested. Would love to get that to like 600 subscribers by the end of the weekend. Right now it's at 511. Let's actually take a look at that. I haven't seen it in a while. It might be a little bit higher. But it's great that we have 142 people watching on Saturday and at 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning. I was actually thinking of going live earlier, but I was in the middle of uploading a lot of stuff. So I was like, this is not going to work if I try. Uh, 520. So we're at 520 subscribers. Basically, I upload a lot of videos on, this is the thumbnail. That's going to be how the thumbnail looks. We'll probably update the picture as we go along, but it does seem to be working well. I talk about all different types of positions. I do updates on AMC and GameStop pretty much 2 times a day when we do have that roll in there. But yeah, 521 subscribers. But yeah, I do updates on my portfolio as well. If I am up or if I'm down, whatever I am, I do those updates. Or if any big changes, I'll do those updates as well. Since it is a swing trade portfolio, but I'll also give you updates on any day trades I do during the day. So yeah, exit this. But yeah, that's the MP Shorts channel. If you guys want to subscribe, the link is in the chat. It's pinned to the chat. Thank you, Sir Arthur Dane. Is that how you say that? Thank you for becoming a member. Appreciate that a lot. Can we see your NBA Top Shot collection? I don't have any NBA Top Shot collections. I don't have anything there. Yeah, I'm not. I have NFTs, but I don't have any NBA Top Shots. Aren't they super expensive? Like I seen one that was like $37,000. It's ridiculous. I understand the point of NFTs, but as they start to get that high of a price, it really doesn't make sense to trade back and forth, in my opinion. But the lower ones, they create value. Basically, like the ones that, like say, YouTubers would create or celebrities would create, they create value going back and forth, basically pinned to that celebrity or pinned to that person. And I'm not calling myself a celebrity because I'm not. But if they do have a celebrity like say Will Smith and he has an NFT, people are going to want that NFT. Let's say it's a Fresh Prince NFT, which would be absolutely phenomenal if he did do. But he had a Fresh Prince NFT. People would want that, and it would be traded back and forth. It would be very rare. Create a lot of value. I wasn't expecting you to be live. Neither was I. I woke up way too early. I was actually up at 2 in the morning. I went to sleep at like 10, which is something I don't usually do. I normally go to sleep at like 12. Actually fell asleep before that. So maybe I just wasn't tired because I fell asleep before that. I don't know. I get rich on my 350 stocks in AMC. I'm going to do a hair transplant and a laser An eye laser? What? Like, I, I don't know what you're getting at here. Are you invested in cryptocurrency? Not at well, I have to stop it myself there. I'm invested in Ethereum, but that's it. Not in Bitcoin, um, or in Doge or in anything else. I'm just Ethereum, just because I needed a way to fund my NFTs that I still haven't put up for another bid, which I need to do. So you look like you're at work. I'm not at work. Or should I buy more AMC shares? It depends. If it does go lower next week, I think next week, my predictions for next week, which nobody can predict the positions, is merely just my opinion. This is not financial advice. My predictions for next week is that we're going to see way more positive days, probably 4 positive days and 1 negative day. If we see that negative day in the beginning, and in on Monday, then we might see it go down to like $9. And if it goes down below my cost average, and I actually have money that's going to be cleared on the 29th, then I'm definitely buying more AMC. Probably $10,000 worth. We'll see though. So then I can take profits on some of them, but we'll see how that goes. I might end up putting it somewhere else, because I don't want to just put $10,000 more into AMC and not have more day trading money, because a lot of this is swing trades that we're doing here. That's why I'm holding overnight. Any day trades that I would do, like on Thursday when the stock market was up, I made about $120 on costs and a couple of another trade. So yeah, I like day trading. I like making money every single day, but I also like swing trading. But sometimes I get overwhelmed with the swing trading by trying to average things down when I don't get into a certain price level, and it takes a while, because I know, like say Rocket, I knew Rocket was going to be like a 1-2 month type of thing, and I invested in the beginning of the month, and now we're at that full month to where it did decrease quite a bit, but my cost average also decreased. My cost average is now $25. So if it does go up to $30, every dollar that I gain, I'm going to gain $315 out of it. So if it does go up to $5, I'll gain $1,500 from it. Shay, thank you for becoming a member, to the Money Makes Money member. I appreciate that a lot. We have 175 people in here. Make sure you guys hit that like button. I think we're only gonna be streaming for a couple of more minutes. Only a couple more minutes, just because my video's done uploading. I need to add the thumbnail and then title and tags and all that stuff. So thinking today was Friday and the markets would be open. That's funny. It's funny. That's funny, Sergio. I just added like funny and Sergio together, and I said that's funny. Oh, if you didn't hear that, that was pretty funny. Sometimes I do that. It's fine. AMC will hit triple digits. Oh, will AMC hit triple digits? Tough to say. It's gonna take a lot. We're gonna need to see their side of the bubble burst a little bit for it to get to that point. But right now, I'm thinking that I'm stuck on the double-digit mark, the high double-digit mark. I would like to see it go to $30, $40, $50, and then we can talk about triple digits. But right now, we can't really talk about that, because if we start seeing it press that $20 mark, then yeah, it definitely has huge potential to keep pushing. But what I want to see is it go up to 20. Get that profit, see that drop down, get back into it with my Fidelity shares, and then continue to see that go up. So that's what I want to see there. And basically, I think what I'm going to do, I was thinking of putting everything in there and watch it go up, but I'm thinking that, I don't know, maybe I should just put the profits in there, but we'll see how that strategy goes. Do you play DraftKings or FanDuel? I don't. I did do FanDuel a while ago when it was first looked at. They were talking about in the media as it being like illegal or something like that, like way back when. But I stopped doing it just because that's gambling. I don't consider investing gambling, even though some people might. Great day for some golf, Matt. Yep, that's exactly what I'm doing today. So 4 more minutes. I'm gonna be. Didn't they liquidate cash accounts? He lost thousands of dollars. It was a margin. I believe it was a margin account that he had. So he had a lot of AMC on margin. They liquidated his position, and I understand why they did it, but it's wrong that they do that. And I don't believe he said he had like a margin call or any type of like heads up. They just liquidated it. So that was interesting to me to be able to hear that. That's why I never really trade on margin. But I accidentally traded on margin the other day. I didn't know I had less in the account, and I ended up trading $3,000 worth when I only had $2,000. So had to get out of that trade really fast. With you guys, he made more money streaming AMC stocks, clickbaiting you guys, and then AMC profits. No, not even close. I actually don't even play enough ads. I haven't played a single ad during this video. And if I did, then you would make more money. But it's not about that. It's about getting the word out there, understanding that there's still hope out there for a lot of people, rather than trying to screw people over at all. That's not the case. I am so hungry and my stomach is going ridiculously insane. Typically I'm okay, but I kind of ate early yesterday. I do that because I only eat from a window of 12 to 8, and then I don't eat after that. And if I eat earlier than that, which Harper was hungry, so I ate earlier and I didn't eat anything after. So that's probably why I'm starving. So it sucks, but I need to eat something. Some days I have to because I just mess up my timing. Matthew, did you fart? No, I didn't. I know how that sounded, I did, but no. I could if you want me to. Yeah, intermittent fasting. Where do I live? I live in Pennsylvania. I had to think about that. Why did I have to think about that? Reading, Pennsylvania. Oh, we have 195 people in here. Make sure you guys continue to hit that like button. Read Twitch. What's going on Twitch? Your cam on Twitch is back. Was my cam down on Twitch? I was wondering with the book you like about day trading. I was curious on if you could do like a reading of an upload on YouTube. I actually can't. I could probably do it on Patreon. That's definitely an interesting thing that we can go with, because I can actually play the audio book and we can go through and talk about the things that he talks about. That's actually not a bad idea, to go through the How to Day Trade for a Living book. So if you guys are interested in that book, I think we can go through and go through the different chapters on Patreon. But I can't do it on YouTube because that's copyright. You'll get a copyright strike for going over someone else's book, actually reading someone else's book. And I read into that because I was going to do it, but I didn't do it. I didn't do it because I know that it was copyright. Lost my train of thought a little bit, literally in the middle of my sentence. Wow, someone gets up as early as I do. Good morning. Yeah, I get up very early. All right, well, I'm gonna have to end the stream. For people that just jumped in, I'm sorry that it's a short stream. That's why it's labeled as the shortest stream in history. I need to, you know, get another video uploaded and also get prepared for this little tournament we have going on here. So eat, sleep, AMC, repeat. That's funny. So yeah, make sure you guys check out the MP Shorts channel. It's in the chat. I'm uploading a bunch of videos today. I'm also going to be uploading a video on AMC on this channel. Would like to do more videos on probably stimulus, maybe credit cards as well, but I'm not sure exactly how much time I'm going to have later in the day. So yeah, make sure you guys hit that like button on this video, hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Thank you for the 2 members that joined in this live stream. But I'm gonna go ahead and you know, get out of here. And if you want to join the Discord group, the link is in the description. It's the first link in the description. There's a lot of educated people over there, really smart people. So again, I'm gonna get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video or stream.